Welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So a mystery box came in. Well, it's not really a mystery box because you saw the title, but it's finally here. And it's time to go ahead and open this up. Okay, the time has finally come. Let's go ahead and get this open. I'm super excited. I've been waiting forever now. After producing more than 1,000 videos using my smartphone, it's finally time to make the upgrade. So let's go ahead and get this open. All right, let's see what we got here. A lot of packaging, of course, which is a good thing because I definitely wanted this to come in one piece. Oh, wait, another box. Okay. So technically, that's going to be 2 unboxings. Oh, yeah. Man. Okay. This makes me happy already. So this is the masterpiece right here. The Panasonic G85. So I'm going to get into this a little bit more. Let's see what else we have. We have a carrying bag. This is actually from a company called Focus Camera. They're out of New York City, and they give this whole kit for you. So this is pretty sweet. You also get an awesome mic. This is something that I really want. It's a Rode mic. It's a smaller one, and this is something that it's a necessary thing to have. And so I think this by itself is 60 bucks. And what we also have here is a spider tripod from Vivitar, which is nice. Luckily, I already have a Manfrotto tripod, but this is great to have a second one as well. We also have a 128 gig SanDisk SD card, Extreme Pro, sweet. Then, all right, we also have this 2 extra batteries, a must. And then we also have some telephoto lens. And so this, I think, is a great deal, okay, because let's go ahead and go over this really quick. So the Panasonic G85 itself, this is a nearly $900 camera, okay? And all of this together came out to $1,000. And if you factor in just this camera alone, along with just this mic, if you bought it separately, it would be about the same price. And so this is actually an amazing deal. And I will let you know if this is something that you wanted. I will also leave an affiliate link in the description area below. So let's go ahead and get this open completely. Okay, so we finally got everything set up, and so let's go ahead and get all of these things open. Now I've already got the 2 rechargeable batteries. This here is a micro USB cable, so then you could plug into this Wasabi power charger for these 2 batteries. And then here is the actual Vivitar tripod, and it's also bendable. It's not the best tripod in the world, but once again, you know, this came with it, so I cannot complain. And let's get the actual camera open first, because obviously that is the most important thing. So let me see. All right, so I don't have to cut anything open. I just go ahead and use this right here. So, ooh, Panasonic G85. Oh man, I'm so happy. So here is the instructions. This is actually my very first real camera, okay? Besides anything I got as a kid. And so these are all the things that you get with it. Okay, or optional accessories. Let's go ahead and get this open. Oh man. All right. So I'm going to try to be careful with this. Let's go ahead and move this over. So first and foremost is the camera. Wow. The Panasonic Lumix G85. Man, that is a solid feel. And this is pretty much an upgraded Panasonic G7. And that was the one I was considering before getting this. And I'll get into why I chose this once I get everything set up. So let's see what else we have here. Great. Little strap. And then right here is actually the kit lens. And this kit lens, from everything that I've read, is a really great kit lens. And this kit lens alone would probably sell for $300 just for the kit lens alone. Check that out. And mind you, I am not a camera expert, so there is a lot of things that I need to learn. And so, I'm happy to learn it. Okay, and there's that. That's for the kit lens as well. And what else do we have here? Okay, so here is the actual battery, and there is a charger right here. Just stick it into the wall. And the great thing is, I could also use the same one to charge these other ones up, which would be a lot faster than using that micro USB. And so let's go ahead and open up these other things. And this is actually from the company Focus Camera, which is based out of New York, as I mentioned. So these probably aren't going to be like top-end stuff, much like this Vivitar. But the fact that they threw this in with it, once again, I cannot complain. So, cool. Oh man, okay. There is one. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the other one. They probably look the same, I'm guessing. It comes in a nice little pouch as well. Okay, there's another bag. So there is the other one. And when you open it, see, that's the actual lens. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. And let's go ahead and get this video microphone open. And I was really deciding on which one to get, because there is another kit you could get which has a much larger Rode mic. But I figured this would work better for me because I need something more portable since I am outside a lot. Okay. So, oh man, this is awesome. Check that out. And what I really like about this is the fact that it comes with they call this a dead cat. And so this will actually help filter out wind noise. If I remember, I think it is called a dead cat. Wow. There is the other accessories. And let me see. So there's the mic. Sweet. So this is from Rode, obviously a very highly respected brand. And the final thing, besides this SD card, of course, is the bag itself. So here is the actual bag. Isn't a bad bag at all, but more than likely, I'm probably going to have to buy a more heavy-duty one. So here you could carry around your camera gear. There's some compartments there. Cool. And so now that I got all of this open, I could actually get into this camera and use it for the very first time. So this will be maybe not the last time I use my phone camera, but it'll be an exception to the rule. So now I'm going to do a quick comparison between my current camera, which is my smartphone, and then compare that to the Panasonic G85. Now this right here is in 1080p, and so I'm not going to be using any of the new 4K features or pretty much do anything except just turn on the camera. So let's go ahead and see the difference. Okay, so now I'm actually using the Panasonic G85. And as I stated, I really haven't done anything at all except turn on the camera, put in my lens, and then I press record. Now later on, I will be doing a full detailed review of this, and so I'm going to be playing around with a lot of settings. There's so many things for me to learn because I've never had a camera like this before. And also there's going to be a lot of brand new challenges as well for me because I'm so used to using my smartphone as my main camera. And so that is it for this unboxing of this very special camera, and I'm going to be using this quite a bit. As you can tell, I'm extremely excited. And so before I go, I wanted to thank one person in particular for recommending this camera to me, and it is Beckler. He is actually a successful internet entrepreneur and he has his own YouTube channel. And so if you wanted to check out his channel, I will leave it in the description area below. And also, if you actually wanted to get this whole camera that I have and the kit, you can check out my Amazon affiliate link in the description area below as well. So if you had any thoughts on this camera, or maybe your own experiences having your very first camera, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to subscribe. And if you wanted to support my channel further, you can do that at patreon.com/geekoutdoors. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you actually wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then join my Go Content Creators group, where you would get access to 30 free videos and more continuing content for all their creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. All you have to do is simply go to the link below, head over to our page, and join my Go Content Creators group. Thanks a lot, and I will see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.